Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best HDMI cable reviews. Masho HDMI 2.1 coaxial flexible cable delivers up to 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, supporting eARC HDR, 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz. Slim, durable design ensures stable high-speed signal transmission for TV boxes, PS5, laptops, and modern gaming or home theater setups.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.